Tonight,
the camera has Alexa on it.
Low of 30 degrees.
The PetCube Play 2 is the newest pet cam available from PetCube, and we got our paws on it for a test run. The Play 2 boasts some serious improvements over its predecessor. It has a wider field of vision, stronger zoom, and Alexa Smart Assistant built right in. Let's open this puppy up. So the first thing we noticed is it can be a little tricky to open with these stickers. Ooh. Now it's ready. Gorgeous. All right, so we have, it's very compact, very small, about the size of an Alexa or an Amazon Echo. Can fit on a bookshelf pretty easily. It's not very heavy at all, so really even if you have flimsy shelving, it wouldn't be a problem. So let's keep diving in a little more. We have a power adapter with a small USB plug in there. And what I'm guessing is a power cord. Looks pretty long too, so it seems like we're gonna need to keep this plugged in if we want to keep it going. So that means if you're going to place it anywhere in your home, you wanna keep it somewhere near an outlet, but you've got a little bit of wiggle room. All right, let's get it set up. Once you have everything out of the box, you're going to wanna set things up on the app. So we went ahead and downloaded the app before we started recording. So we're going to connect to our device, choose the device. This is the PetCube Play 2. All right, plug in your PetCube Play. All right, that's really long. That's awesome. Tap next when you see the green light blinking. There it is. All right, PetCube, sometimes we'll need to use Bluetooth, so usually say yes. That's going to help pair your phone to your device. Next, you're gonna wanna select your device, and you're gonna need to scan below, let's see, select. It'll show your camera, or it'll show your PetCube camera on your phone as an option. You just wanna click that and move on. One of the biggest key features that sets the PetCube 2 out from its competition is that it has, hey Alexa, play Ain't Nothing But a Hound Dog. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. You're crying all the time. As you can see, Alexa has pretty much the full feat. All right, that was off to a good start.
You said start.
I sure did.
Stop.
As you can see, the device has pretty much the same. As you can see, the device has pretty much the same abilities as any Echo. Hey, Alexa. Shh, stop. As you can see, the PetCube Play has the same abilities as a normal Amazon Echo. So you can do things like ask about the weather, ask for music, or even integrate into smart home features in your own house. Cool. So as you can see, the PetCube 2 gets pretty good video quality. As you can see me pretty clearly, even when I move around, but without good Wi-Fi, it might get a little scrambled at times, especially when your cats get the zoomies or your dogs decide to go kind of nuts in the living room. What I would say though is like make sure you keep it by the router or some very stable area. That'll help a lot. And really, I'd say the PetCube Play 2 is a pretty good pet camera. I'm really impressed. The laser is a lot easier to control than some of the other ones we've tried. And the setup was pretty quick. As long as you know your Wi-Fi password, you're really good to go. The laser pointer is a big draw, especially for cat owners. The laser itself is pretty dull, so it might not show up clearly if your home gets a lot of natural light, but it's usually pretty noticeable for your feline friends. It is a little laggy, but it's cool. It's, when I tried, I think it was the Pavo, that one, the laser control was really confusing. It felt like a roller ball or something, but it was on your screen. And this makes way more sense where you just touch the area that you want to put it on. It's whatever the camera is seeing and you just touch it on there. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's way easier to control. And there you have it, the big dog of the PetCube family, the Play 2. At almost $200, this camera is pretty expensive. But if you want premium features like laser toys and treat dispensers, that's about par for the course. On its own, the PetCube Play 2 is fun for pets and their owners, but you might get a little more value if you subscribe to PetCube's care service, which is gonna cost a little extra. This subscription delivers features like video history, smart alerts, and discounts from top pet brands. Learn more about the PetCube Play 2 on our Best Pet Cams page at Safewise.com.